ดาเรียบร้อยครับธรรมดาเรียบร้อยนะครับ
I'm on my last night in Chiang Rai and I'm not having a beer tonight. I've had enough drinking. I'm taking a night off tonight for the simple reason tomorrow is England's last game and they play Belgium tomorrow. So I'll be going to Chiang Mai and I'll be having a few drinks there, but also the day after the England-Belgium game I'll be flying to Bangkok and then to Pattaya. So I'm going to have a night off tonight. I'm going to do a bit of touristy stuff, a little bit of photography, maybe eat a little bit of food and just chill out. I've had a few beers this afternoon, can't be bothered tonight, so let's take it from there. Yeah, it's raining again, so can't really get anywhere, but I've not given up. I've bought myself a nice little green rain jacket, 29 baht, so I can still get about. The only thing that's going to be ruined is my foot. Most of the restaurants are closed, so I'll show you what that is in a minute. Got pizza, some Korean chicken and some fries. I bought myself a little Mac, obviously, like a right fool. It's done his job. So I'm going to have an early night. I'm watching Mexico and Sweden in the World Cup. I'll be up tomorrow and heading back to Chiang Mai 12 on the green bus. so I've got plenty of time to wake up and have a relaxing morning. I've enjoyed it here in Chiang Rai, it's been good. Nice temples, and even though it's rained tonight, it's not spoiled it because it's been different. It's been torrential, having a little Mac on, hiding in under cover, getting a little bit of footage, doing a bit of filming, so I've enjoyed it. So that's it. Over and out.